Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI Nova 10SE, and now I can show you how to record calls on this device. To begin with, we need to clarify a few nuances. First, you need to understand that in order to record calls, you need to have access to the root of the file system. By default, only the default applications, for example, telephone in our case, has access to the hidden directory. But the laws of some countries prohibit recording calls in these countries. Therefore, in some regions, including in my region, recording calls with a standard application is not available. So, as you can see in settings, I have no call recording features. So, as you can see, I have no this feature, and if you have no this feature too, I just can suggest you to use third-party applications to do it. So I recommend you use the HUAWEI application. In order to install this application, you need to open Petal Search and find here, click Agree, and find here HUAWEI. Okay, open Petal Search and find here HUAWEI. It's here, click Install, click Download, wait a while, click Allow, Install, Open, and Next, Grant, Allow, Enable. Now, here you need to enable accessibility to the HUAWEI. So find here Install Services, click HUAWEI, click OK, click OK, go it, allow, and you have now give to the app access to the your geolocation. And great. Now when someone will call you or you will call someone, conversation will be recorded by HUAWEI. But you have to understand that we'll only record the sound from your microphone if you don't have root access. Therefore, if you want your voice and the voice of your interlocutor to be recorded, you must either install a root access to your device, or you can record conversation using an external speaker. So this way the microphone will pick up both your voice and the voice of your interlocutor. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.